Hey everyone, welcome back to Fintech Pulse. The fintech industry is evolving at lightning speed and investors are always on the lookout for the next big thing. So, what are fintech investors betting on in 2025? In this video, we'll break down the top trends that are shaping the future of finance. Let's get started. First up, embedded finance. This is where financial services are seamlessly integrated into non-financial platforms. Think of Uber offering car loans or Shopify providing insurance to its merchants. Investors are pouring money into this space because it makes financial services more accessible and convenient. By 2025, embedded finance is expected to be a $7 trillion market. Yes, trillion with a T. What's your favorite example of embedded finance? Let me know in the comments. Next, let's talk about decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi uses blockchain technology to remove middlemen like banks from financial transactions. Investors are betting big on DeFi because it offers higher returns, greater transparency, and global accessibility. Platforms like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound are leading the charge. By 2025, DeFi could revolutionize how we borrow, lend, and invest. Have you tried DeFi? Share your experience in the comments. Step 3 is artificial intelligence. AI is transforming fintech by powering everything from robo-advisors to fraud detection systems. Investors are particularly excited about AI's ability to analyze massive amounts of data and provide personalized financial advice. Companies like Betterment and Cabbage are already leveraging AI to enhance user experiences. By 2025, AI will be a cornerstone of fintech innovation. How do you feel about AI managing your money? Let's discuss in the comments. Now let's talk about green fintech. As climate change becomes a pressing issue, investors are betting on fintech solutions that promote sustainability. Think platforms that help you invest in green projects or track your carbon footprint. Companies like Aspiration and Tomorrow are leading the way. By 2025, green fintech will play a crucial role in aligning finance with environmental goals. Are you interested in sustainable investing? Let me know in the comments. Finally, let's discuss central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. These are digital versions of a country's fiat currency backed by the central bank. Investors are closely watching this space because CBDCs could streamline payments, reduce fraud, and improve financial inclusion. Countries like China and Sweden are already testing CBDCs, and by 2025, we could see widespread adoption. Do you think CBDCs are the future of money? Share your thoughts in the comments. And that's a wrap. These are the top trends fintech investors are betting on in 2025. From embedded finance to green fintech, the future of finance is looking incredibly exciting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of fintech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.